Sold out? What's up everyone, this is Jing here from Authentic Energy. Welcome back to my channel. Every week I give you the best tips on personal wellness and personal success. So today I'm gonna show you a really yummy pumpkin spice weight loss shake. Now, October is pumpkin season and every year Herbalife releases a limited edition F1 nutrition shake that's in pumpkin spice flavor. However, this year it's sold out. Then I thought, you know what? I'm gonna make my own. Okay, so for this shake, you will need 2 cups of water, okay? And you will also need Herbalife protein drink mix. And then we need our F1 nutrition mix in vanilla flavor. Remember, vanilla flavor is very versatile. You can mix it with any ingredient and also there's no overpowering flavor. You don't want to do like cafe latte or chocolate pumpkin spice, right? Unless you really like that. And then remember, for our pumpkin spice, we need 3 main spices. How many? 3. Okay, so which are cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And lastly, most importantly, we'll need 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin. Okay, where is my pumpkin?
Hey, I'm here at Bo's Corn Maze, and also there's a pumpkin patch here too, so this is perfect. We're gonna go and pick the best pumpkin for our recipe. Alright, and also just do a bit of tourist stuff here as well. This is my first time out here in the outback, but it looks really amazing, so let's go.
Got a pumpkin! Now, it's time to cut you up. Oh, so it's very fun cooking with pumpkin. What you want to do is you want to cut your pumpkin into pieces, big chunks, and then boil them. Boil them in hot water until they're soft. Okay, so it depends on what pumpkin you get. Some pumpkins may take a bit longer, some a bit quicker, right? Depends on the type. And what you want to do is you want to take out the flesh. So here for this shake that we're having today, we're just using a third of a cup, right? So you don't need too much. If you give your shake too much pumpkin flesh, it might turn out to be really thick and then it might be like a pumpkin soup. So we don't really want that. We just want, you know, the moderate amount of pumpkin flesh in our shake. Now let's make the shake. Firstly, you want to pour the water in first. So we got 2 cups of water here. And what happens is I always tell everybody to put your liquid base into your blender first, because if you put the water in last or in the middle, the chances of your powder or your ingredients get stuck at the bottom of your blender is very high, and that is very messy and your shake does not get blended, you know, evenly. So always put your liquid in first, and then you can put your shake powder. You should do shake powder second. So here we have the protein drink mix. Okay, so what you want to do is 2 scoops. Okay, so 2 scoops of the Herbalife protein drink mix gives you 15 grams of protein, and the calorie is only 110. This is actually one of my favorite protein. And then we're gonna put in our F1 nutrition mix. And a lot of people are very confused between what is the difference between our protein drink mix and the F1. 2 scoops, by the way. Okay, the main difference is the protein drink mix gives you protein, just protein, whereas the meal shake, I mean the F1 meal replacement shake gives you wholesome, a whole range of vitamins, minerals, and your macro nutrition, like your carbs, your healthy fats, and your carbohydrates. So 2 scoops of that, when you put into the shake, is equivalent to all the nutrients you need in the meal. So that is the main difference in this wholesome nutrition. Okay, so after 2 scoops of each, we are going to put in our pumpkin. So we got 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin here, cooked. Okay, don't use raw unless you are super adventurous, you're a raw food advocate. If eating raw pumpkin is something for you, then that's cool, nothing against that. But for me, for my delicate stomach, for most of us, I think we need cooked pumpkin. Okay, now the spice. Okay, I don't know about you, but I like mine really spicy. So my suggestion for all of you is don't use a teaspoon or some kind of tablespoon to measure, because that's too much. Because these spices are actually very pungent. They're really strong in a good way. So what I would suggest you to do is give it a sprinkle, okay? And you really need to find, where is your threshold for spice, okay? And for me, can you see? Okay, these bottles come with big holes, so you want to be very careful. Just give it a bit of a sprinkle, give it a pinch. Okay, that's my cinnamon. And next we got nutmeg. Ooh, nutmeg. Who else loves nutmeg in your cake, right? So here, just give it a gentle sprinkle. Beautiful. And then the clove, right? Okay, these cloves I got, they're in the whole bits, so I can't exactly sprinkle them in, and because I don't think the blender is gonna do a good job blending them. So I've already ground up some cloves, so just gonna give it a pinch, okay? Because some of you may be quite familiar with this spice. Wow, it's super strong. So here, I'm just giving a bit of a pinch. Do I look professional? Let me do that again.
Okay.
So here we got a few pinches of our spice, and then we got our pumpkin, we got our Herbalife mix, and the liquid. We're ready to blend. Ooh la la, look at this. Oh, I can see the spice mixed with the pumpkin and the nutrition. Alright, boys and girls, here we have pumpkin spice nutrition shake. And you know what, we're not done yet. I like to decorate it, finish it off with some cinnamon sprinkle on top, right? So it has that cafe feel. Oh, look at this. Oh, don't you want to just give it a nice close-up shot of this? Oh, yummy. So you can make this shake hot as well. How many of you like the idea of pumpkin spice latte in winter? So instead of going down to your local cafe to buy a cup, which is high in calories and sugar usually, why don't you make it at home? Okay, so there are 2 ways to make it hot. Firstly, you can warm up the water or your nut milk, your liquid base, and blend it in your blender. Second way is you can actually blend your shake mix for a long period of time. Just let it keep blending. The longer you blend it on high speed, the more it will actually get heat up. So that's the second way to make it hot. I really love it in winter. I usually make myself a cup of pumpkin spice latte instead of drinking hot chocolate or something like that, which you get all the sugar when you drink it from the cafe. But when you make it at home with our Herbalife mix, yummy. All the nutrients and all the protein that you get. So in this pumpkin spice latte, you get 25 grams of protein, and it is only 250 calories. Isn't that a great option? Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed today's recipe video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. And comment below and let me know where you're tuning in from. I really do want to know which country, which city you guys are tuning in from. And lastly, don't forget, if you want to hang out with me, if you want to ask me any questions about Herbalife nutrition and healthy lifestyle, don't forget to join my private Facebook group. Just go and look for Authentic Energy Nutrition and you will see my face there. Okay, so I will catch all of you next week. Bye!
Thank you so much for staying till the end. I'd like to give you a special offer. This is your chance to tone up your body and to reset your mind and your nutrition in just 5 days. You will get 5 videos, and in each video, you will have 3 sections, each dedicated to nutrition, mindset, and physical workout. This series is valued at $147, but for all of you today, it's only $47. All you need to do is click on the link in the description below, grab your video, and enjoy the 5-day tone up.